Hello children, now continuing with the exercises of flying together. In this question, we have to fill in the blanks with prepositions such as to, at, off, on, in, into, with, and one has been done for you. So let's start. First is this tree was the home of a flock of wild geese. So this is done for you. This is how we have to do this exercise. Second, he noticed the creeper dash the foot of the tree. He noticed the creeper. Now look at these words. To the foot of the tree, is it right to say? No. Let's look at this second word, at. He noticed the creeper at the foot of the tree. Yes, this is right. उसने creeper को tree के नीचे तरफ नोटिस किया ग्रो करते हुए. Okay, now next, it would be a pity dash destroy it now. Now again, look at these words, pink words, to, at, off, on, in, into, with. It would be a pity to destroy it now. Alright, next, as they flew dash the tree, they were trapped. As they flew on the tree, no, in the tree और into the tree. With the tree तो हो नहीं सकता, tree के साथ थोड़ी ना उड़ सकते हैं. Now we are left with in and into. So we have to think what we should use, in or into. So when something from one medium to another goes, like I poured milk from the jug into the glass. So the milk is moving from one place to another place. So in that case we use into. If suppose something is there already, like there is milk inside the glass, it is already there. The milk is not moving from one place to another, from one medium to another. In that case we will use in. But here, as you can see, they flew dash the tree, they were trapped. They flew, so there is a movement from one place to another. So here we will use into. As they flew into the tree, they were trapped. Fifth, the boy ran dash the dog. The boy ran with the dog. Right? On the dog, to the dog, off the dog. That's all. Not appropriate. 6. The frogs jumped dash the well. Again, the frogs are jumping from one place to another. There is a movement. So, the frogs jumped into the well, not in the well. Into the well. There is a movement. The girl was thrilled dash see her bicycle. The girl was thrilled to see her new bicycle. The birds were caught dash the net. The birds were caught in the net. है ना? The birds net में पकड़ी गई या ट्रैप हो गई. So birds were caught in the net. The children walked dash the bridge. The children walked with the bridge नहीं हो सकता, in नहीं हो सकता, into नहीं हो सकता, क्योंकि किसी के अंदर थोड़ी ना जा रहे हैं. So to the bridge, at the bridge, off the bridge. The children walked on the bridge. Bridge के ऊपर चलते हैं ना तो on the bridge. I hope you understood this question. Now moving to next question. Complete the paragraph with suitable words from the box. So some words are given, and using these words we have to fill in the blanks of this paragraph. One day as I was walking dash the bank of the river. So bank of the river means river के किनारे जब चल रहा था, रिवर के किनारे जब चल रहा था, रिवर की डायरेक्शन में चल रहा था, है ना. So in that case we use this word along. Use the word along. So here we will fill along. One day as I was walking along the bank of the river. और जब भी हम ये करते जाएंगे we will put a tick or a circle that this word has been done. This word has been used. So put a cross or a tick on along. I saw my friend running dash the field. So I saw my friend running across the field. Why we are using across? Because the friend is running from one end of the field to another, है ना. So the friend is running across the field from one end of the field to the another. He was calling my name and waving dash me. He was calling my name and waving. Now choose some of these words. After me, next to me, into me, from me, around me, across me. Across तो हो गया. With me, along is also done. To me. So he was calling my name and waving to me, मेरी तरफ. I stopped and waited. Dash some time he reached where I was standing. So after some time, because he was running towards him, after some time he reached him and where this person was standing. He said, I went all dash the town looking for you. I went all around the town. मैं पूरे शहर में घूम रहा था तुम्हारी तलाश में. I was looking for you. I have some exciting news to share dash you. तुम्हारे साथ कुछ exciting news share करने. तुम्हारे साथ में क्या आएगा? Some exciting news to share. साथ में with you. I want to play with you. I want to study with you. We will go to the picnic together. No. I and my friend along with our pets will go to the picnic. So मैं मेरा friend और अपने pets के साथ. So in that way, in that sentence we will use with. So in this case he wants to share the news with this person. Do you remember the old house, the dash name tree? So after is done, around is done, across is done, with is done, along is done, to is done, next to, into, from. So next to, उसके बगल में, नीम ट्री के बगल में एक ओल्ड हाउस था. नेक्स्ट टू, like you sit, when you sit with your friends in the bench when you're in school, so you sit next to your friend just immediately who is on your side. So in that way we will use next to. Do you remember the old house next to the neem tree? Guess who is moving? Dash that house. Somebody is moving, somebody is going to settle into that house. Moving. Now I told you there is a movement. So when there is a movement from one place to another, there we use into. So here also, guess who is moving into that house? Janak Das, the great magician. Now we can learn lots of magic tricks. Now only one word is left, from. We can learn lots of magic tricks from him. Now last question here, reference to the context. Some dialogues are given and now we have to answer these questions. First dialogue, look at this cloud. Well, there's no hurry. The creeper is very small. It would be a pity to destroy it now. So who said this? I think you have read the story, so you know the geese said this, the foolish geese said this. To whom it was said? It was said to the old wise bird or the old wise goose. When the old wise goose asked them to destroy it, they said, no, 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 there's no hurry. It's so small, it's a pity to destroy. And when what was it said? It was said when the old wise geese advised the geese, the old wise bird or the old wise goose advised the geese to destroy the creeper when he noticed the creeper growing at the foot of the tree. Second dialogue. So this is where the wild geese live. So this dialogue was said by, who said this? This dialogue was said by the hunter, right? I think if you have read the story thoroughly, you will know all these answers. These are very easy. Next, to whom was it said? Did he say this to anybody? No. He said it to himself. He muttered to himself, है ना? He spoke in a low tone to himself. So to whom it was said? To himself. When was it said? He said this when he saw the tall tree where the wild geese lived. When he saw the tall tree in the forest where the wild geese lived. Draw pictures of the speakers of the above lines. So who are these speakers? First dialogue is said by the geese. So draw the picture of the flock of geese. And second dialogue is said by the hunter. So draw the picture of the hunter. So this is now your home task. I hope it was easy and helpful and you will be able to do it. Thank you.